Good night, everyone. Ladies and gentle people. How is your guys' days going? I can't see you guys. Do not comment and I can't see. I want to know. What you sitting there, man? Chill. No, I can't see. No, go on, sir. Yeah. No. Who are reading? Listen to what I say. Hold on there. You can't give no more heads, boy. Me alone you give heads. Your left hand and your head are feel me? Yeah, what I say now? You need a reading? Hold on. You have 1,000 people in line waiting. No, I read. No. We are read, our people forget read. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Listen. Don't be afraid because you are afraid. Be bold. And I'm talking about the boat that run. I'm telling you to be bold. Your personnel. Be what? Be something. Read. Everybody go and get their readings. Stop chat fuckery. Come off from page. You see, come over here with the fuckery already. Come off from page. Yes. I mean, if that's a crate. That's a crate. Yes. Yes. Candle. Me know somebody that over your bad mind. Me look for the candle and sister. Me light it 3 candle them same time. And look how this one here run here. Look how that one here run fast and burn out. Bad mind. Iniquity. Vampire. Sucking the blood of Jesus. Chromas! You're not left your old man. Because you're thinking he's so dead. I'm foreign this moment. When them tell Jamaica tell us you're dead 40, foreign people them will make you live as 60. So you have a long way to go, Chromas. So me I beg you just exit off my life and talk to my people them who want to read them. I'm going to select people right now. And people, we have a scoreboard. No. Ramesh, where you gone? I have 7 lives to squeeze in your blood clot, eye. Can you come like a nasty one go around you? Ramesh, don't move a muscle. Me say me buy 24 lime and me willing to give you 7 out of it. Can you hear them one blood clot open Ramesh? Can you not look around you? I really see what go on. So out of 24 lime, I have 7 for your eye. Because I'm going to squeeze them in your blood clot, yeah. Because you come like you're not see what go on around Ramesh. You see them, them take it for idiot. I mean, alone I see the tell you, come like you don't see it. Send them money tree, cash up and join the live Ramesh from read you and tell you what go on. This has been a mixed business with friend. That I forest me can tell you, Ramesh. Me not mix business with friendship. Because friendship cannot business don't get drain. That I forest me can go with your life, Ramesh. If you can't pay 150, you go and go make somebody else read you. No, me can't mix business with friendship. That now go nowhere. Then I hear some business pop down. Me can't do it, Ramesh. Me no fool again. We're gonna reach out to the first person who need read. And we're gonna dim the light when you start telling your story. And listen to me. If the man did it, and you really want to talk him abuse, you still join the line. He can't do you nothing. When you join the line first, they tell you address. So we send 2 dogs over there quick and fast. So as they start beating, you don't know, say dog them drag him out of the house. Calling number 1 right now. 150 if you read. If you can't pay if you read, go and go downstairs. Alright. Alright.
Good night.
Hold on, let me dim the light, mama. I'm dimming the light. Yes. Good night, ma'am.
Who is this? RT boss?
No, this is
Oh,
RT Junior.
Okay. Sorry. I want to read in.
What go on in your life?
My man left me.
Eh?
My man left me. I want him come back. Tell me. Yeah.
When you
really want him come back. I don't know you for tell me. What you mean?
At the day of the argument, where you had him catch up in a last argument when you had him catch up in a. Did he walk out of the house pan and?
No, I'm walking on him 2 foot.
Alright then. So mama, you want me pin up your foot then you can lock up back in your house?
I don't know. You for tell me what you can do now. You had to read a man now.
You say you want him back in our house. But yes, mama, we're going to put him back in our house, but he's going to cripple, so you have to choose wisely.
I don't mind. I just want him back. I just really want.
Say less.
What is that you're doing?
I'm going to tie up in foot them. You say you want me to tie up in foot them and cripple him.
Lord have mercy. Make sure say not make it catch me.
So mama, you know, they on the live attack, so you want back him man, so the man must hear you. Our family, them going to see after this in cripple. Mouth run water, you have to go dry up.
Me not care, I'm not for no say me. I'm not up on IG.
Alright then. Man, you want back in your house. What's your name?
Sir.
What's your name, mama?
Marlisha.
Who?
Marlisha.
What the man name?
Him do have no name now. I don't name him yet.
Don't worry yourself. Are you come here with your problem? Are you want to hold it as a secret? I'm going to walk on him same way because I have them power there.
Oh, yes, sir.
Don't worry yourself.
Let me see if him going to come tonight.
Tonight I want him back.
Me wants it all bad you is. Me wants it all bad you is.
Go back home to Malisha. 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 Go back home. Mama, where you live? Which state?
Right, it all on them call me. Just call me.
Mama, no walk me. I walk man. Ignore the man. Ignore the man, mama. I work.
No,
ignore the man. Three o'clock him at your door.
Alright, so first of all, I call it tomorrow now and tell you now.
Tomorrow you are calling me. Come here, can I hear me say the boy gonna call you?
Okay, I'm gonna call you tomorrow upon live again.
No, I'm not working tomorrow. Tomorrow my dear, but me I tell you say boy you fall back 3 o'clock in your house tonight.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
I'm gonna see him, I'm gonna watch and see if him come back. Thanks, here. Have a good night.
The mama me ask you something.
Yes.
So why you want about this man?
Because I'm good to me, you know. I'm really good.
So if he did good to you, why make him left?
Because him just have an attitude, I'm going to tell him don't eat the food, come leave the food on the counter and him eat it out. Him always eat out and drink out the food and
So
him
yeah,
don't,
so you
don't
have a
contribute.
yummy man.
Yes, him love him belly. Yeah, that's him love him belly too much.
So me ask you something. You're attached to lazy man?
Not really, but him just get too comfortable, you know? So yeah.
Did you give him that privilege to get comfortable? Like you go to work and you take care of him, you not make him do nothing.
I make him do it. I tell him to go and do it and go work and go look at work at like a little, like a little 18-wheeler job, one of them job there. But I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't look at work that you want him jump, you don't start walk. I don't creep that I jump that.
Yeah, well, anything
so
you want,
pressuring the man after you start take care of him like a baby, spoil him, then turn around and start pressure the man.
You say him come back 3 o'clock, me want to make sure Sam come back 3 o'clock. Me want to say how bad you is. Yeah, that me want to say.
So Mama, so let me ask you something.
You know, say you can't get them a bun out.
Eh?
You can't get them a bun out.
So Mama, your story is stressing me out. Mama,
I'm sorry about that, but
Mama, every time I look for the candle get shorter. So Mama, let me ask you something, Mama. Let me ask you something. Tell me something for real now. Are you comfortable, happy right now?
Kind of, sorta. Kind of way. Some kind of little way. I don't know how to explain it. So.
Boy, Mama. I'll take back this off 5 foot. This come like, I know, a man problem. It look like you have some serious issue there. I mean, not do people son
so
like
you want me redo it? You want me?
No, I mean, not do people
right,
son. I not do people son. Mama, I mean, not do people son wickedness. It look like me now, I look by you, I try to tell you, say, look like you have a problem, Mama. And me can't hold on somebody's son just like that, so. Me can't put him in a handicap issue. I know, say,
all right, then.
Right now, you are telling me sitting and in a add up. I'm a cripple you look at you just a while ago.
All right, undo him then. Undo him.
Because what you tell me now.
Undo him right now. Undo him right now. Undo him right now then.
Me undo him because
I really need him because me are the problem.
Yeah, man, you have a problem, man, Moa. Moa, my sister, you have a problem.
Me are the problem.
You have a problem. Because we are trying to tell us, say, you make me cripple the look of you and now me have to uncripple the look of you, and that is that fear. And Mama, me know what you're out as a hold on people's son. Let me teach you something now. God make you as a queen and make we as a king.
Yeah.
You understand? We are the lion, you are the lioness. You understand? We are the let me tell you this. You don't know we are walking.
Look like say you're a mouth cripple. Look like you're cripple your own mouth. So. Can you not know what to say? Look like you cripple your own mouth. Can you not know what to say?
But Mama, what we are? But Mama, me know why you turn this around and act like you want to throw your stress for me now. I'm just telling you what your problem is.
If you can't manage the work, just tell me say you can't manage
no, me can't manage the work. Your problem confuse me and me turn idiot. Me no know. I know you want to take out your problem for me.
So you can't do the work and you fling it now for me? Okay.
No, I don't say me can't do work, Mama. I don't say me can't do work. You just want to hold on an innocent youth and me not take your work. So you want to vex with me now too, me not take your work.
Alright, tell me if you can cripple him back. And then when you cripple him back, me see if him really come. And if him really come home, then me will
Mama, once they do business, they take back your money in now.
So how much? So me have any money for you right now? Me don't owe you, right? Because you're uncripple him already.
Yeah, you don't owe me nothing. We can go with both ends.
Alright. Fix up your stick in your ear.
Have a wonderful night and I hope you don't get back in, man. Because my sister, you're salt. You're salt. And you're salt up the people, them blood clot, boy.
No, and I'm salt now. Are you?
I tie the man, I like your puppet. When you go untie your baby father and tie him up.
Are you want the 7 green lime them now?
No, I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this. You need to take a hold of yourself. My sister in New York, you live coming to a New York house. You need to drive the man up north to waterfront. Sit down out there with one Chick-fil-A box. Eat the Chick-fil-A and drink the Wendy's juice. What they call it? What they call it? Lime and
It's
strawberry
called
life.
peach fizzle. It
Strawberry
is a
lemonade.
peach fizzle.
And think about what you do to
No,
the
a
people,
peach
them
fizzle it
picnic.
name. A peach fizzle it
Listen to
name,
me.
sir.
Listen to me.
God have
Stop
mercy, man.
holding your people, them
Man,
picnic.
oh, you so
Mama.
stubborn. Mr. Man, oh,
Mama.
you so stubborn.
Mama. Yo.
Can't bother with them,
Start
innit?
your fuck. Thank you.
Are you need a green lime, them? Good.
And you need a green lime, them. Come now, you come over here and hold on people picnic. Let me tell you this. Mm-mm.